Real Fanny vibes in full effect. CSX local, number 6358, crossing Wolf Creek Pike here in Trotwood, Ohio. With the longhood forward out. Yeah, if we see the conductor in the cab, he's done, but I don't see him in there, so listen to this beautiful sound. RVP Productions in the house with flying ants. All right, he's shoving back. Now he's might be spotting his loads. We just don't know. As cars come across. It shows that they are not rail fans. We are. Real Fanny vibes in full effect, baby. We'll pick it up shortly. Drop a comment below if you like 6358's horn. He's blowing it like I would. Real Fanny vibes in full effect, baby. Check him out, the big dog. Yes, sir. Well, he's pulling them out of there. He's getting them out of there. Yes, sir. Okay, that might be I don't know if that's the end of his consist right there or what. I'm not sure. Kind of sounds like he's slowing down. He's going to stop. And he's going to shove back. So get ready for this, rail fans. Here we go. Check this out. Back he goes. You gotta love this, rail fans. If you're not a rail fan, you don't like this, I don't know what to say. This is action at its best. On the old CSX, on the old main line here in Trotwood, Ohio. Here he comes back. 6358 in action. Yes, sir. If you don't like this, I don't know what to tell you. Real Fanny vibes in full effect here in Trotwood, Ohio. Suburb of Dayton, Ohio. All right, rail fans, check out the sound of that engine. Once again, make sure you check out other Real Fanny Vibes videos. It's all about trains here as the gates descend upward. We'll pick it up shortly. Here we go. $63.58 in action. Doing Real Fanny Vibes. Yes, sir. Action-packed. And great sound from engine 6358. right, rail fans. We'll pick it up again shortly. Rail fan vibes in full effect. CSX crossing Little Richmond Road here in Trotwood, Ohio. Yes, sir. It's a small consist. We just got finished serving the Mall Products Company here in Trotwood, down in Trotwood, Ohio. Yes, sir. We'll pick it up shortly. CSX crossing Gettysburg Avenue headed eastbound back to the Needmore Yard, 6358 with the long hood nose. Yes, sir, the Pinocchio. Job well done, guys. And the chase is on. Rail fan vibes in full effect. We are at it again. 6358. The long hood forward. Eastbound back to the yard. Full effect. Great sound from 6358. Gotta love it, baby. And we will pick it up shortly.
Okay.